What's happening, guys? This is my buddy Jason. Met him at the hostel. He's starting a YouTube channel real soon too, so when he posts his first video, I will put a link to that down in the description. And today we're going to Playa Hermosa. Man, I would love to have one of these properties someday. These places look sick. This guy's watching over the estate over there. Yeah. Dude, this is sick, yeah. So my buddy Jason here has a drone and we're just trying to get some good drone shots with it. Leave a comment down below if you think I should get a drone. I think it could add a lot to this footage.
Almost ran into that tree.
Oh yeah.
Did I get it in the shot?
I think so. All right, guys, so this is Playa Hermosa. This is, I guess, a famous surfing beach. We came here, we thought we were gonna swim, but this sand is like really black sand and it's super hot and you can't even really like stand on it without sandals. So yeah, didn't find out until after we got here. It's really more of a surfing beach than a swimming beach. Nice.
Damn it, that sand is super hot, man.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Holy shit.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on Playa Hermosa. Definitely not a swimming beach, definitely a beach to come back to with the surfboards at high tide. But it was pretty cool nonetheless, man. We thought about maybe trying to get hostels there for tonight, looking at that, and unfortunately, there's only really hotels in the area that are like $60 to $80 a night is like the starting point. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it's a super cool beach and a great little day trip to go there from Jaco. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.